Oh, hi there. Welcome back. Guess what I'm making today? Broccoli salad. It's a very quick and easy recipe, so let's go. I'm using raw broccoli florets cut into bite-sized pieces. You can even place them in hot water for a minute and then drain if you don't like the raw taste. I like the taste of the green onions in this salad. Now here I have roasted and sliced the almonds. These give a nice crunch to the salad while adding a lovely nutty flavor. You can even use roasted sliced walnuts if you like. Now dried cranberries have a slight sweet and sour taste which is perfect to balance all the flavors in the salad. Always use fresh lemon juice. Again, using fresh ingredients enhances the flavor and gives the fresh taste to the salad. Honey takes the salad to a whole new level of awesomeness. Don't skip it. Now, adding mayonnaise will balance all the flavors and bring the salad together. Check out my Instagram link below for some awesome dishes to be featured soon on my channel. Now let's combine all the ingredients well for an amazingly flavorful salad. The detailed recipe with measurements is in the description box below. Do check it out. Now our salad is ready and you can have it as is or refrigerate for an hour for a nice cool one. Enjoy! If you like today's recipe, give it a thumbs up, leave your comments below and don't forget to subscribe. See you next week. Bye.